What's going on, everyone? We are back. So it's been a little bit of time since I've been on camera. I was redoing my office. The computer that I did have, it ended up taking a shit on me, and then I had to get a replacement. I was working off of a laptop and then an older PC, and I said, why not just go ahead and build a PC? So I ordered all the parts, the graphics card, the SSDs, the hard drive, the motherboard, the CPU, all this stuff. Okay, everything took forever to get in. Finally hooked everything up. I've got all 4 monitors up. Everything seems to be working. Guys, if this video, if you can hear me right, leave a comment. If you can see me, leave a comment. But more importantly, we are getting back to live stream. So especially for those of you guys in Evolution Traders, we will be live streaming. Now, we're going to do the same market open where I'm going to go through some commentary through text in the channels. I'm going to give out the levels. I don't really like doing the live streams right off the open. It causes too much FOMO. I've been doing this for 4 or 5 years now. It causes too much FOMO. I'm going to come in after the first hour candle closes. Okay, so that's going to be after 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So again, with that being said, let's just go over and let's just make a quick video on some of the setups that happened today. Right, I kind of already made a video already briefly talking about this, but all in all, the main setup that I'm going to be looking to trade on stream is first hour highs and low breaks. So if you were to go to, if we go to this 1 hour time frame, let's go to the 1 hour time frame, and we look at that 9 a.m. candle. So 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Again, I've got my computer set to Eastern Standard Time now. That way it's easier for all of you guys to understand. So we trade New York session. We're going to talk in New York time. So that 9 a.m. candle is the candle that we're looking at here. What we're going to do is mark out these lows and we're going to mark out these highs. This is what we're going to be looking for. So by the time I come on stream, everyone should have these levels marked out. Then we're also going to include that 20 SMA on your screen, guys. If you can put the 200 on your screen and the linear regression. If you do not trade with Schwab or Thinkorswim and you have another platform, sorry, don't know how to get the linear regression on there for you. But if you kind of look at these first hour highs, right? So notice the first hour highs. We get that breakout at 10:20 in the morning, 10:25. We get that confirmation. Immediately we pull back. Now our stop loss is always going to be a previous 5-minute candle low or the 20 SMA. We're going to get in on the confirmation through the break of the first hour highs, and we're going to ride this up into the next area of supply, which is going to be the linear regression. So we would have been looking to sell here at around 10:50 in the morning. Now we're also looking for these 20 SMA plays. So you can see here at 9:45 in the morning, we get that confirmation over the 20 SMA. We get the confirmation candle that clears out the reason why, and we push right into the 200. So when we push into the 200, you have to be thinking scalp, right? I mean, you have to give the charts the benefit of the doubt for what they are. If you are going to follow technical analysis and you're going to follow a strategy, right, a mechanical like strategy, you need to have some clear areas where you're going to take those profits. And those clear areas where we're going to take those profits is going to be into supply. So the 200, into a linear regression, into the 20. We're also going to look to take profits at the 5-minute ATR if we're trading the 5-minute time frame. I'm going to quickly brush because my other video that I already updated, it had a lot of this talk in there. So what I want to do here is I want to pull up a 2-minute chart. I want to pull up a 2-minute chart here because I've been looking at the 2-minute chart a lot lately, and it's providing good little opportunities for some scalps. So let's just kind of go for the first hour and a half, 2 hours of the market, right? So let me just zoom this out a little bit here. Guys, I still got to download my drawing tool on this PC. So just give me some time. I should be all ready to go tomorrow morning. But if you notice here at 9:36 in the morning, we get this bottoming out here. 9:36 in the morning, we get that close over the 20 SMA. And when we get that close over the 20 SMA, you can see that the high price was sitting at 18,697. We confirm at 9:40 a.m. and we can see here, just based on this chart, based on the next area of supply, we're looking to take profits into the 200. Guys, I really want you guys to pay attention, I don't just make this shit up, I don't just make these imaginary lines here and say that stocks potentially could stop here or potentially they could break through. It's on the chart. Everyone can put the 200. Notice how when we close over this 20 period moving average, it trickles around for 4 minutes, confirms, okay, and then pushes right into the 200 SMA. So when it pushes into this 200 SMA, it tries once, twice to break through, and then collapses. Now this, my friends, is what we like to see. This is what we call a little bit of a Biggs bottom in evolution traders. We get that double bottom here, that mean reversion. We get the lows, we get the bounce into supply, we get the flush, right? Listen, we get the flush, and when you don't get that confirmation through that low of day, through the first hour lows, notice this candle's at 10:06. We're already on that second hour candle of the day. If we don't get no continuation, we've got to be thinking upside. If we were to break the first hour lows, I'd be looking for the short side. So once we don't do that, and even in this time, and those of you guys who are in evolution traders, when this play was setting up, I specifically said, guys, stay patient. I am not looking for the short. Let's see if they trap these sellers, and then we can see if we can catch something. Not only did we catch a Biggs bottom here, again, if you guys aren't in evolution traders, you don't know what the hell I'm talking about. But not only did we catch the Biggs bottom, we also caught the 20 SMA play back up to the upside. Not only did it break through first hour highs, but ran all the way into the linear regression here at 18,760. With that being said, guys, I'm going to get the rest of these screens set up. I'm going to make sure everything's running nice and smooth for the stream tomorrow. Again, very, very excited and happy to be back here actually face to face and do some live trading. We're going to do some, we're going to do some bullshitting. We're going to definitely do some risk management talk. We're definitely going to pound these rules into your head so that you can become a better trader. Make sure to stick around. Make sure to subscribe. We're doing a lot of things. Guys, right now I've got a 250K eval going from Apex. I've got 2 funded accounts at Top Step. I've also got a funded account at Apex, and then I'm working on 2 more evaluations at Apex. I'm all over the place. Not only with that, I'm also trading my options, because remember, those of you guys who are my OGs, those of you guys who have been with me since the start on YouTube, you guys know my bread and butter is trading options. I love trading equities, Tesla, Nvidia, the triple Qs, AMD, Amazon. I'm still trading those on a day in and day out basis, so you're going to also see me scan through those charts as well. I'll see all of you guys on the next video.